Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you all today. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today just really quick. This is for those of you who have been following me. This is for those of you who are new to my channel. As a matter of fact, if you are new, please subscribe and hit that little bell so that when I upload more videos, you will be notified, okay? All right, y'all, I made a playlist. I did it. I made a playlist. Yes, finally, right? I made this playlist because I get comments all the time with people asking me, Joyce, did you do any rings? Joyce, do you have any videos that you've done using memory wire? Uh, Sometimes, y'all, I do so much and I make so many things that I forget. Like, I know that I have done it, but I can't quite tell you where to look for it. So I made a decision to do a playlist, and in that playlist, you're going to get 221 videos. The name of that playlist is DIY videos, but along with the DIY videos, you're going to get my Tuesday show and tell videos as well. So when you click on that playlist, you will be able to scroll down and look at it's so many. You will be able to scroll down and watch any video at your own leisure and at your own time, at your own choice. I did that because it needed to be done, and I don't think that people really want to be searching for certain things. So if it's right there, all you got to do is just scroll down and find the video you're looking for. You don't have to search. It's going to all be in that playlist, okay? So I just wanted to come to you all today to share that with you, ladies and gentlemen, to let you know that I finally did a playlist, okay? I want to thank y'all for watching, and once again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And I also want to say thank you so very much to all of my supporters. I appreciate each and every one of you all for just being super supporters, okay? So if you are new, please subscribe, hit that bell so that when I upload more videos, you will be notified. Yes, you will be. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so very much for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.